So going back to the answer to those things, yeah, small talk. I mean, the typical topics would be what the weather's like at the moment. If you know somebody, maybe sports. If you know they're interested in it, what they or their friends or their family have been doing recently. Maybe holidays if they haven't spoken to them for a while. General things in the world, but nothing too serious. Little story. I knew somebody who worked in shipping many years ago, and she had to deal with an agent in Jamaica, I think it was, in the Caribbean. And she said, he never helps me, and oh, he's a horrible person. And I said, well, you should do some small talk. And this was, as I said, when I was in Germany. So, well, what about? I said, well, they all love cricket, and there's been a big scandal in cricket recently. Ask him about that. And she started talking to him about cricket and their business relationship. Even though she didn't know cricket, he just wanted to talk about what was in the news. And yeah, we use small talk as an icebreaker. We use it to break the ice. Especially if we've got something serious to talk about afterwards. Okay, so those answers again, I will put them up with the bottom half so that you can see it now. And I think we've kind of covered all of that one. Automatic caller menus, yeah, we don't like them because they don't ask the right questions and because it's a machine. And half the time we don't know which option it is that we really need. So it's very frustrating, isn't it? Okay. Now, let's move on to the next part, which is obviously part 2. A caller is trying to get through to the customer services department in a credit card company. Complete the text with the missing lines. Okay. Now, what I want you to do now is have a look at this in your book. Okay. And isn't that lovely with the music bits? Can you put the numbers of what you think goes where next to each one of these? Okay. And so I'm going to treat it as a reading exercise. You can also listen to 5.14 and then check your answers, which I'm going to put up in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. If you didn't press pause, you're cheating. Never going to pass all your exams this way, even if you have passed reading. Okay, so the answers are E, then C. Actually, let me show you on the top here. Yeah, to report a lost or stolen card, press 3. You can check this from the listing thing anyway, can't you? To C, you'll be connected to an operator. Very old-fashioned term, that, isn't it? Because these are for the days when they used to stick plugs in the wall to really connect people mechanically. 3 is B. We are currently experiencing unusually heavy call volumes. Very useful expression. Number 4 is D. Please continue to hold. And number 5, A. All our lines are now closed. Very frustrating. If you are writing a letter of complaint, you could say, I was put on hold for 20 minutes and then the line went dead or something like that. So it is useful for your writing also. And of course for real life. Okay. Right. Now, how do you end a phone call? If you're from Poland, you say pa 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 for about what seems to be about 5 minutes non-stop. But yeah, so it's going on and on. You know what those phone calls are like. Okay, again, I'm going to ask you to put the lines in the right order. I would say you can try and guess it. Okay, from number 1 down to number 11, and then put the numbers in here. Okay, don't forget it's Barry and Andy that are talking, so that helps you a little bit. Then you can listen to the recording, check your numbers, maybe listen to it again, put them back in the right order. I shouldn't really have to put the answers up, should I? But I am in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And what should I do? Should I go at them in random order? No. Let's just move that one out of the way and we'll go through 7. Whoa. 9. Maybe I should just put all of them up because we're running out of time, aren't we? Can I just put them all up? Yes, I can. Here it comes. Barry and Andy's conversation. Here come the answers. 7, 9, 2, 10, 6, 3, 8, 5, 4. Okay,